We are coming live to you at the RV show at AT&T Stadium.
Even though we upgraded our RV in November from Funtown RV in Denton, which we absolutely love, we still wanted to come check out what's new, see what options are out there for anyone thinking about RV life. When we bought our first RV, we didn't go to any shows, and honestly, that was a big mistake. We thought we knew what we needed, but after 2 full years of full time RV living, we realized it wasn't the right fit and had to upgrade. That's why coming to events like this is so important. You get to walk through different layouts, compare features, really figure out what works for your lifestyle before making a decision. Whether you're shopping for your first RV or thinking about an upgrade, take your time, do the research, and go to shows like this. We're excited to walk through some of these rigs. Let's go check them out. Be sure to follow us for more RV tips and tours.